Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video I'll show you a remedy to treat your scalp of dandruff and itchiness using this natural ingredients. This is green tea with honey and lemongrass, bicarbonate of soda, also known as baking soda, apple cider vinegar, and water. So if this is your first time watching this channel, click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you find this video helpful and useful, share with your friends, your loved ones, your family. Give it a huge thumbs up. And here I have already prepared green tea. We'll add just 1 tablespoon of baking soda. That's just about the quantity we need. Our remedy is ready. If you have dandruff, all you need to do is to rinse your scalp with this remedy. Give your scalp a really nice rinse with this remedy. When you pour it into your scalp, massage your scalp, the whole of your scalp. Massage it for 10 minutes and allow this to sit on you. You put on a shower cap and allow it to sit on you for 45 minutes. Then you rinse your head with normal water. This is to help cleanse your pores of any impurities in it. If your pores on your scalp are clogged, this is going to help cleanse it and get rid of all the dirt in your clogged scalp pores and keep it healthy, which definitely is going to help promote the growth of your hair. So there you have it, guys. Go ahead and try this at home and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, your loved ones, your family. Give it a huge thumbs up because definitely it was informative and useful. Click on that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos on this channel, because I upload very effective and healthy tips just as this one on a daily basis. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.